Oh, yeah. I'll just let you get the last little bit of this chicken. I might save the rice for later. I'm already full. What if eating all this chicken is why I sound like a chicken? Oh, It's not a super easy feat, but it's the way I gotta do it. I just don't have time. And some people may not have time. And this is just a way. You just go ahead and get them all at once. Get all the protein. That's the hard part. Calories are easy. Snacking's easy. Snacks. Just snack on some bullshit. Get some calories. It doesn't have to be high protein snacks. It can just be high calorie snacks. I don't know what's best. I mean, ideally, potatoes, fruits, and vegetables. But there's just not enough calories. Like, if you have a serving of fruit, it's like 100 calories. So what, I need to have 10 servings of fruit a day? So I can get an extra 1,000 calories then? That's just tough. Goddamn. Oh. All the pollen in the air, man. I don't usually have allergies, but I've been eating the wrong honey. So I think that's what it is. I need the right honey, and I'll be alright. Honey. Alright, that's all the chicken. I'll just have like a shit ton of rice. With a little leftover particles of chicken. Let's go. I need to get tighter shirts just so I look bigger than I am. It's not that impressive. I'm not gonna be little forever.